Xiaomi is preparing to launch the Redmi K80 Ultra tomorrow in China as the top dog in the K80 series, and it will apparently be joined by a new Redmi K-Pad tablet. Does not look too different from the Redmi K80 and K80 Pro, which debuted back in November 2024 in China. Redmi K80 Ultra come in 4 color options. A closer look at the camera island reveals that the K80 Ultra is equipped with an OIS-assisted 50-megapixel dual-camera system, weighing in at 223.5 grams. It also carries an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. The K80 Ultra runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, which is paired with a D2 discrete GPU and Android 15. The K80 Ultra will arrive with specs like a 6.83-inch LTPS OLED 1.5K display, a metal middle frame, and an IP68 rated body, and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The phone packs a 7410 mAh battery and supports 100W fast charging. It also includes a bypass charging feature. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.